You know, hey, look, we spend a lot of money fishing and we want to bring back a lot of good fish to eat. And one of the things I think that gets neglected on the fish is the collar. I believe the term in the Japanese market would be hamachi, the way we're going to do this today. And we caught some really nice red snapper and we cut the throats of it out. And there's lots of really good meat on there that typically gets thrown away. So what I'm going to do it out here on the grill. So let me see if I can get our picture here. The first thing I want to do is I want to oil our grill up, make it hot, and then I just use a little, you can use olive oil, whatever, and take your olive oil and just rub it on the grill. So you want to have that nice and pulled down like that. Now, what I've got is our collars, okay? This is our red snapper collar. And it's not hard to get off of the fish at all. And I think it's very well worth your time to do this. So we're gonna start off with just a little pepper and pepper and garlic salt on here, and that's it. And then I made a sauce with basically my own ponzu sauce. It's got a little garlic chili in there, a little brown sugar, a few other little things. And if you're interested in it, I'll send you the recipe. But I'm gonna put these on the grill first without the sauce on them and let them cook and get a char on them. Otherwise, they will, that'll burn. When I put it on, I move it around just a little bit on the grill like that and let that sit. And we're gonna let that cook and get a nice little char on it, some grill marks, and then we'll take it off to the side and do the rest of the cooking. So in this pot right here, I've got my sauce that we will baste after they're basically get a good grill marks on them. So we're gonna let these cook for a little bit. I'm gonna watch them and then we'll flip them and we'll show you how they're looking at that point. All right, so we grilled them on both sides a little bit, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our sauce and we're just gonna start basting it like that, and we're gonna turn the grill down. We're gonna baste like this every, I'm gonna do it every few minutes, and then we'll flip them over again. And if I can remember not to grab the handle on that. Okay, so I got this towel. I'll put that in here like that. Like that. Okay. All right, we'll be doing that for a little bit longer, and we'll come back and see the final product. And I'm gonna tell you, it's so good because you got all those bones around the collar. Just add moisture, and that meat right there doesn't get worked at all. It just rides there. It's kind of like beef that doesn't get worked hard. So anyway, we'll be back and show a final shot of it. All right, so we've got our final product on the grill. And what you can do is you can continue to reduce your sauce down and then have a little bit on the side for dipping at the table. Wow, look, it was raining earlier. We needed the rain here in Florida. Now the sun is out and it's beautiful. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. And if you want any more comments, or if you got questions about it, just hit us up in the comments below. And thanks for watching Southern Waypoints Fishing today, and have a good one.